Hi everyone, this is Ewan from Costa Rica Real Estate. We are here today in Costa Elena, touring Bay Villa number 16. This luxurious retreat is located on Costa Rica's stunning Guanacaste coast. This fully furnished, move-in ready, very spacious villa offers just over 4,500 square feet of seamless indoor-outdoor living space. As you stepped into the living area of Bay Villa 16, you'll immediately notice the impressive large bucket doors that extend the entire width of the space. Bay Villa 16 is crafted to blend seamlessly into its surrounding. The kitchen in Villa 16 is a culinary dream. With top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, it's perfect for family gathering and hosting friends. This space truly celebrates Costa Rican craftsmanship. With touches by Fab Studio and interiors by the renowned design agency, the villa achieves a refined yet relaxed ambience that feels like home in paradise. This home embodies the essence of Costa Elena, combining modern elegance with an organic feel. 4 spacious bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and breathtaking ocean views of Salinas Bay and the iconic Bolaños Islands. Each of the 4 bedrooms in Villa 16 are designed as a serene retreat, featuring large windows that invite in the coastal breeze and reveal breathtaking ocean views of the ocean and Bolaños Island. These rooms embody tranquility, creating a peaceful environment that's ideal for rest and relaxation. This architectural design and natural materials harmonize with the landscape, creating a unique, tranquil sanctuary. With 5 full bathrooms, each crafted to provide a spa-like experience, Villa 16 offers luxurious privacy in every corner. From natural stone elements to high-end fixtures, these spaces are designed to make relaxation a part of your daily routine. Thanks for touring with me today in Costa Elena. Costa Elena is a luxury gated community located only an hour away from the Liberia International Airport. Contact me now to schedule your private tour, and thanks for watching.